Auto transformer. It is a special type of transformer such that a part of winding is common to both primary as well as secondary. Means it has a only one winding wound on a laminated magnetic core. With the help of auto transformer, the voltage can be stepped down or stepped up to any desired value. Now this figure A shows a step down transformer, figure B shows a step up transformer. Now in first diagram, that is in step down, AB acts as a primary winding while part of primary winding BC acts as a secondary winding. The position C called as a percentage tapping point that can be selected as per the requirement of secondary voltage. In figure B, QS acts as a primary winding while the PS acts as a secondary winding. Now the voltage across primary in figure A is V1. Voltage across secondary, that is across BC, is V2. So voltage across AC is V1 minus V2. And in so we will see relation between voltage across primary, secondary, and number of turns of primary, secondary. Now number of turns of primary in figure A is N1. Number of turns for secondary is N2. And number of turns for AC is N1 minus N2. So according to transformer principle, from the figure A, we can write V2, that is voltage across secondary, divided by voltage across AC, that is V1 minus V2, is equal to number of turns across secondary, that is N2, divided by number of turns of AC, that is N1 minus N2. So after solving this equation, we get V2 divided by V1 equal to N2 by N1. So that is same as two winding transformer. So due to the use of single winding compared to normal two winding transformer, for the same capacity and voltage ratio, there is a substantial saving in copper in auto transformer. Now advantages: because of only one winding, less copper is required, efficiency is higher, size is less, low cost, resistance and leakage reactance is less, because the resistance depends on length and cross sectional area of a wire. Here wire material is less in quantity, so resistance is also less, copper losses are less. Limitations: low impedance. Low impedance means low resistance, hence high short circuit currents or short circuit on secondary side. If section of winding common to both winding is open, full primary voltage appears across the secondary, resulting in higher voltage on secondary and danger of accidents. Now there is no electrical separation between primary and secondary, which is risky in case of high voltage levels. Next, applications: for interconnecting systems which are operating at same voltage. Second, auto transformers with a number of tappings are used for starting induction and synchronous motors. Auto transformer is used as a variac in laboratory. Variac means which gives a number of secondary voltages. So we can connect number of tappings to get number of secondary voltages. That is a variac. This is about auto transformer. Thank you.